copy your YouTube channel link in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is click on your profile picture in the top right corner, and then you have to go to your channel, and then when you go to your channel you can see these three dots in the top right corner, and you have to click on the dot, and then you have to click on the share, and you can copy the link. And here you can see I have copied the link, and the link that you have copied, and this is your YouTube channel link, and you can paste it and share it with your friends, or share it in your description box, or whatever place that you want to share it. So that's basically it, that how you can copy your YouTube channel link in 2021. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, like on this video, and leave a comment below that this video is helpful. Have a good